Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's Rambo Ninjo here, and today we're talking about the loudest, coolest, and most awesome instruments on the planet. The drums! If you think drums are just for making noise to annoy our neighbors, well, you are right. But they also are basically the heartbeat of every song you've ever heard. Let's dive in. Drums are old. They've been around over 7,000 years. The very first ones were found in ancient China. But people all over the world, from Africa to Mesopotamia, were banging on things way back then. Back in the day, they didn't have fancy plastic. They used hollowed out logs and, get this, animal skin for the drum heads. Gross, right? Today, we're using stuff like maple wood, birch, or even metal for the shells, and the heads are made of tough plastic. Drums weren't always for rock bands. They were like the first ever cell phones. People used talking drums to send messages between villages. They were also used in big battles to help soldiers keep time and to look super intimidating. So how does it actually make that kaboom sound? It's all about vibrations. When I hit this head, the air inside the drum gets trapped and bounces around like crazy. That vibration creates a sound wave. There's little metal wires on the bottom that jiggle against the lower head to give that snap. A modern kit is like a giant puzzle. You've got the bass drum, the big guy on the floor, the snare, the heart of the beat, the toms, one for those epic fills, and the hi-hat and cymbals for all that sizzle. And depending on what you're playing, in jazz it's all light and sweet, but in hip-hop it's all about that heavy, steady groove. And in rock and metal, well, that's where you get to hit things as hard as you can. Okay, here are 3 facts. The world's biggest drum kit has over 800 pieces. It takes about 15 hours just to set it up. Playing a high energy set for an hour can burn as many calories as running for an hour. Drummers are basically athletes with sticks. Before he was the lead singer of Foo Fighters, Dave Grohl was a drummer for Nirvana. But get this, when he was a kid, he didn't even have a drum kit. He practiced his beats by hitting pillows in his room with a thick marching band stick until he learned how to play perfectly. Drums are the engine that keeps the music moving and grooving. Whether you're tapping on your desk or rocking a stadium, everyone's got a little bit of rhythm in them. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this beat, smash that like and subscribe button to join the squad. Stay loud, stay happy. Rambo Ninja, out.